everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple lunchbox recipe for beginners. In this, we are going to make lentil rice, spicy garlic egg and cucumber raita. These recipes are healthy and easy to make. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make lentil rice. To make this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of brown lentil, soak for 8 hours or leave it overnight. I have soaked this overnight. And 1 cup of rice, the ratio is 1:1. I have washed them, now it's ready to cook. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Keep the flame on medium and add cinnamon stick, cardamom, clove and bay leaf. For the flavors to get infused in the oil, just saute it for 10 to 12 seconds. Add 1 onion. We don't want the onion to be brown, just fry it for about a minute. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry this for 30 seconds. One tomato finely chopped. Fry this also for a minute. Before adding the spices, let's add the soaked lentil. Fry it for 2 minutes. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now give it a quick stir. In this stage, add the rice. I did not soak it, just wash and add it. Combine everything well and just fry it for a minute. I have 2 cups of rice and dal. In which cup you measure, the same cup you have to measure the liquid also. So for 2 cups of rice, we need 4 cups of liquid. I am using 2 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of water. Chicken stock will give nice flavor and taste to the dish. If you don't have chicken stock or chicken cube, you can also use 1 cup of milk and 3 cups of water. Once again, mix well, cover and cook for 20 minutes on a low flame. Ingredients to make spicy garlic egg. This is 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of each cumin powder, pepper and garam masala powder. Quarter teaspoon of salt and mix all these spices. I have cut the boiled eggs into halves. Now take 1 half and coat well with this powder on both sides. Now I'll finish it with the rest of the eggs. To fry this, add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan or a griddle. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the eggs, yolk side down. To the other side of the pan, add crushed garlic. I have used 1 whole bulb and 2 sprigs of curry leaves finely chopped. Bring back the flame to low and fry them for a while. This fried garlic and curry leaves gives an amazing flavor and very delicious to have with the eggs. Keep the flame on low and fry them throughout the process. Now let's turn the eggs to the other side and fry for a minute or two. Spicy garlic egg is done. Turn off the flame. Almost 20 minutes now. Let's check it. Both dal and rice are cooked perfectly. Now turn off the flame. To make it more nutritious, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed powder. Most of the supermarkets, they have flax seeds, or you can buy online. You can make flaxseed powder at home. Just fry the flax seeds on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then grind. Put it in an airtight container and use it in your dishes. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves, and that's it. Quick and easy lentil rice in just 20 minutes. Ingredients to make cucumber raita. To make this raita, add 4 tablespoons of finely chopped cucumber to 1 cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander or cilantro leaves. This is so refreshing, good for your gut and digestion. All our recipes are done. Now let's pack our lunch box. Adding some ghee on the rice. Sprinkling some chili and chaat masala powder on the yogurt. Quick and simple Indian lunchbox combo. And these recipes will ensure that you eat healthy and nutritious food. I hope you find this video useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.